Sentence 1. Hi, is this seat taken? Imagine you are in a cafe, on a bus, or in a waiting room. You see someone sitting alone. You want to start a conversation. You can say, "Hi, is this seat taken?" Even if the seat is free, this is a natural way to start talking. After they say no, you can continue. "Thanks, it's really busy today." Or, "Do you come here often?" Now repeat after me. "Hi, is this seat taken?" Sentence 2. Hey, how's your day going? This is one of the most natural and friendly questions in English. You can use it at school, at work, or even in a shop. It shows interest and kindness. Imagine you are standing in line. You smile and say, "Hey, how's your day going?" Now repeat, "Hey, how's your day going?" Sentence 3. Excuse me, do you know what time it is? This is a classic conversation starter. Even if you already know the time, it's okay. You are using it to connect with someone. Imagine you are at a bus stop. "Excuse me, do you know what time it is?" After the answer, you can say, "Thanks. Are you waiting for the bus too?" Now repeat, "Excuse me, do you know what time it is?" Sentence 4. Hi, I am new here. Do you have any recommendations? This is perfect if you're in a new place. People love giving advice. Imagine you are in a cafe. "Hi, I'm new here. Do you have any recommendations?" They might suggest something and you can continue the conversation. Now repeat, "Hi, I'm new here. Do you have any recommendations?" Sentence 5. This place is really busy today, isn't it? This is a comment and a question. You say something obvious and invite a response. Imagine you're in a crowded place. "This place is really busy today, isn't it?" Now repeat, "This place is really busy today, isn't it?" Sentence 6. Do you come here often? Simple but very powerful. You can use it in cafes, gyms, or classes. Now repeat, "Do you come here often?" Sentence 7. What are you listening to? Use this when someone has headphones. It feels natural and friendly. Now repeat, "What are you listening to?" Sentence 8. That looks interesting. What are you working on? You show curiosity and interest. Perfect for a library or a workspace. Now repeat, "That looks interesting. What are you working on?" Sentence 9. Is this your first time here? Great for events or new places. Now repeat, "Is this your first time here?" Sentence 10. Beautiful weather today, right? This is the easiest topic in small talk. Simple and safe. Now repeat, "Beautiful weather today, right?" Now let's practice all together. Repeat after me. Hi, is this seat taken? Hey, how's your day going? Excuse me, do you know what time it is? Hi, I'm new here. Do you have any recommendations? This place is really busy today, isn't it? Do you come here often? What are you listening to? That looks interesting. What are you working on? Is this your first time here? Beautiful weather today, right? Now here is your mission. Tomorrow, use at least one of these sentences in real life. It doesn't matter if you feel nervous. It doesn't matter if your English is not perfect. Just speak. Because confidence comes from action, not from thinking. Every conversation you start is one step closer to becoming a confident English speaker. Keep practicing. keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next lesson.